how to view and reorder past HelloFresh recipes. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to cook a favorite HelloFresh recipe again, well here is how to view and reorder past meals using the mobile app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the HelloFresh app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap on past meals or order history in the menu, and after that, you can simply scroll through your previously cooked recipes. And after that, you can simply tap on the recipe you want and then select add to box or reorder option. And here, once you're done with that, you simply have to save your selection to include it in your upcoming deliveries. And that's it. That's how you can easily reorder your favorite meal on HelloFresh Meals. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.